personally want to properly have a relationship, and I don't know what I but I was kind of seeing...
That was a nice picture.
For the brows, we just use the trusty old faithful.
I thought you said fake then, I was like, it's not fake.
No, trusty old faithful.
Revolution?
The Makeup Revolution. What is it? Is it not? It's the Ultra Brow palette, isn't it?
Yeah, the Ultra Brow palette, fair to medium.
Yeah, that one's mine.
Mine's
normally,
broken.
yeah, normally Whitney, you normally have a slightly darker brow than what you do today, don't you?
Because
you normally nearly go black, don't you, because of your hair, but I think that colour suits alright. The concealer we used was the
one I
Makeup
used.
Revolution one, and we've used this for a long time, haven't we?
Yeah, ever since we started.
These brushes are from Spectrum.
Soft and they're really good.
I love Spectrum brushes. I use them all the time.
Oh, this is the first time I've ever used them.
In my makeup kit, like, I use them all the time, but I brought some for myself because I was on offer, so I thought, why not?
I'd like to give a quick review on the 9pan colourpop eyeshadow. This is actually the first time we've actually used one of the 9pan ones. We was a bit sceptical of the middle glitter, the one we used on the lid, because in past like experiences we've had one of them and they've come off like flaky, but that was from different brands, not Colourpop.
And they didn't go patchy neither, so
No.
which I was so happy with.
Yeah. And it was the first time us using the Colourpop
Gel eyeliner.
gel eyeliner. We were shocked how quick it dried. It had good pigment and it isn't cracking.
Which, for a coloured eyeshadow, not a coloured eyeshadow,
A coloured
coloured
eyeliner.
eyeliner is so good. This is the first time you've used the Too Faced Hangover. Like, I've used it on you, innit?
Yeah.
I use it on myself all the time now. After I got it for Christmas, but how do you think it feels on your skin?
It doesn't feel heavy, so that's a bonus, because some primers, that's why I don't use primer, because some of them actually make your skin feel really heavy.
Yeah.
And it kind of washes out your foundation and doesn't sit properly, some of them.
But
that one actually makes it sit really nice.
With the MAC Studio Fix foundation, such a good combination. Like, they mesh together well as well. I've used the Kylie face powder in translucent, and that works really well with them as well. Like, there's no flashback or anything. You know, that's so sad, like, when people want to do YouTube, do it while they're at school and they're like friends or people from school, and they take the piss out of them.
People will come up to like one of my lessons, or like if I'm talking to someone, they think they have like the right just to come up to me and they're like, oh, I saw your YouTube video. I'm like, okay, I don't need to know if you have, because I can see if people have seen it.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah, but what do they say? Do they nasty about it, or?
it depends like who it is, because some people can and have been.
Why? What have they said?
But they have been. There's been some that I've told them to like
Go away.
go away, because like if you have nothing nice to say about it, then just leave it, because I'm not gonna stop just because you don't like it.
Yeah.
Like that sort of thing. Or people have come up to me and told me that so and so said something, or they was talking about it because of it, and I'll be like, well, like, if they ain't got the balls to come tell me and see what I'm gonna do about it, then they're just gonna forever be a isn't they?
Yeah.
Oh, they've just said that like I'm a YouTuber wannabe, like they'll name anyone.
Yeah.
And they'll just use it like that. I'm attention seeking.
Right.
That I use you for like the popularity. That's a big one.
You use me for the popularity?
In school.
Why?
Because all the girls obviously know you're a makeup artist.
Yeah.
And they like me more because of you.
Right.
So they say that I use you for the popularity when I don't.
Yeah.
Because if
no one's met me. There's only a couple of girls from your school actually met me.
And if someone says to me, oh, I like your sister's Instagram, or she's really good at makeup, I'll be like, yeah, I can't know.
Yeah.
Like I won't go, oh yeah, I won't.
I'm her model.
Like,
all the photos of me.
Yeah, like I won't do that because that's your popularity.
Not really popular.
No, but that's your, like, your fame. And I'm
Whitney.
No, but do you know where I'm coming from?
It's
like,
what people know me for.
Yeah, and I love it. I do love you, and I know obviously the people do notice you. And I think that I'm like, yeah, that's my sister.
Yeah.
But I wouldn't ever use you and what you do and what you're good at to get me, like, people to like me.
Yeah.
Because I don't think that's fair on you, and that's just going to cause me to hate friends.
Yeah.
So I'm just stepping 20 steps backwards.
Yeah.
From where I am now.
Yeah.
I won't brag about you being a makeup artist.
Yeah.
Yes, I'll say, oh, like if we do a makeup look, I'll send it to some people.
Yeah.
Some people.
Who's in the group chat?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like who I'm friends with.
Yeah.
And who I know, obviously, they'll be like, oh, that's nice. And I'll be like, yeah. But there's another one I get actually from the girls. When I show a picture of me,
yeah,
like any picture anytime, like I've got makeup and my hair's done,
yeah,
they'll automatically go to, did your sister do that?
Yeah.
And I'll say no.
Yeah.
It wasn't, it was me. And they'll be like, oh really? And I'm like, yeah, that was me who did it.
Yeah.
Even if I come to school and say I actually look semi-presentable, so like my hair's done and I've got makeup on,
yeah,
and I don't look that bad, I'll always get, did your sister do that? So it makes me feel bad thinking, oh, so if I do something good, and if it's something you're good at, and people know that you're good at it,
yeah,
and if I do that, and it looks alright on me, they're automatically going to think it was you.
yeah.
I mean, I don't care, but it makes me feel bad because I'm like, oh, well. Okay.
Yeah, but why does it make you feel bad? Surely it's a compliment.
Yeah, it's a compliment for you.
Well, no, it's not, is it? It's a compliment for no, don't, okay, that's it. It's a compliment for you, isn't it, really? Because, oh my god, I forgot how good this highlighter is. I really need to get mine out and use it a bit more. No, it's a compliment for you, because if you're doing your makeup good, then that means you're at a standard of, or you're nearly at the standard of someone who does makeup all the time.
That is a way I have thought about it. But there's another way. If some days it's like, oh, so I'm not being noticed for something
That you've done.
that I've done, and because you've done it,
Yeah.
they think it's you.